Well, Governor Gavin Newsom adding that $1 billion to the budget to tackle the homeless crisis in California. His plan, house the homeless in camping trailers and mobile health clinics around the state, help them pay rent. The governor will also sign an executive order calling on the state to identify surplus land and property, including land near highways and decommissioned hospitals that can be used to house people. So the question here is, and really a $1 billion question, will it work? We bring back our panel this week, Jim Veros, Ray Appleton, and Nazreen Johnson. All right, Ray, you're good friends with the governor. I say that lightly.
Want me to hit you?
Yeah. Is this possible? Will it work?
It absolutely will not work. He spent $1 billion last year on this same project, this same thing. Population of homeless in California went up 16.3%, forcing the national average up 2.7%, while every other state, the lower 48, they had a diminished homeless population. Ours grew and pushed the national average up, again, I repeat, while the other states were down. So he's going to spend another $1 billion on what? Another 16% growth in 2020? I think it's BS. I think it's horrific. What we have to do, we have to have involuntary programs where these people are committed to institutions to be protected from themselves and to protect other people. They're voluntarily not going to do squat.
Nazreen, how do you see this? Obviously, Ray's passionate about it, as well as he should be, and I think a lot of people are, because we see this on a daily basis here in the Valley. Homeless people are just infiltrating streets. Where can we put them? Where can we house them? It's a big problem.
Homelessness is a big problem, and we have been tackling it for a while in our community, and we've seen it expand. We know it doesn't work. It doesn't work when we have ordinances against homeless people. It doesn't work when we have housing that's unaffordable, lack of housing. What we need is a multi-pronged plan. So mental health, I'm glad to see that our state's spending dollars on greater mental health assistance. I'm glad to see that.
Are they though?
Well, that is what the plan. That is what the plan entails.
Okay.
Is a greater expansion for mental health, and a greater plan for temporary shelters. But without affordable housing, people will become homeless again.
Are you buying what the governor is selling?
I think that it is part of a larger plan, and it is a step in the correct direction. And I would say that if you haven't participated in the annual point in time count to actually count and talk and survey to our homeless people, then you maybe have no idea what you're talking about.
Jim?
I think we have to quit saying that all the homeless are the same. I think that we have to really take a look at what are the issues amongst the homeless community. I think people see a tent and they see an animal living with them, and they see a lot of stuff in a shopping cart, and they automatically call them bums or say something derogatory. And I think in this country we've been treating animals better than we've been treating humans, and I think that needs to stop. And I think there is a part of the homelessness that Ray is correct, that there are laws that are protecting folks and that we can't just scoop them up and throw them in a van. I think that needs to be at least taken a look at. If someone is actually hurting themselves or is not able to take care of them, that they need to get the help that they need, that we need to be able to go in there and help them. I think that this is a start. I don't know if the $1 billion is going to be used correctly or not, but I think that we're generalizing
But
this.
are we going to see the checks and balances? Ray, I'll come to you. I know I kind of already know what direction you're going to go into, but the checks and balances, how do we know that the $1 billion and where does the $1 billion go? Who gets what? What's the timing on this? How many trailers come into Fresno County versus San Diego County? How is that all decided?
You know, my fear is a lot of this money will be used to repay political favors.
Really?
This group supported me during my campaign, so we're going to give them $500,000. Excuse me.
Well,
this group supported me.
There's not any Republicans left in California, so everyone's getting the same amount of money.
Well, no. Well, there's plenty of Democrats, though. I think there's not a reality applied to it. There's too much of a political component.
The budget, obviously,
Patronage,
right? The budget is rolling out here, and we're looking at it, and we're saying, okay, we're adding more money to the homeless. But Nazreen, when do we finally say, okay, is it working? Where's the deadline? Is there one?
So the community has had a plan to end homelessness, and we've made great strides. And one of the ways that we do that is by measuring, right?
But homelessness is up in Fresno County.
Homelessness is up in Fresno County. I believe that there's a multitude of reasons for that, but you know, if we don't tackle a living wage, if we don't tackle affordable housing, how
The
will
wage just went up
people-
$1.
Uh-huh.
The minimum wage just went up $1.
Okay, so there are full-time positions here in our community, $12 an hour. How on earth would you rent an apartment on $12 an hour? You get a roommate? Okay, now add a couple of kids.
Come on. This whole noise about the minimum wage being a sustainable wage where you can live in a house. Right? No. You've got to better yourself. You have to be educated. You have to, you have to get a trade or something. So I mean that's a
I'm glad you brought up trades, because what we're lacking in our community is those middle range jobs where you could have
I'm so
graduated.
big on trade schools.
Yeah. Well, hey, we agree
Parade down
there.
the street naked for them.
So,
what a sight that would be.
Well, that would be great. But what we have here is a lack of jobs that are available when you graduate high school. You
What
used
is
to
the
be
living
able.
wage, by the way?
Well, it depends on which community. In Fresno, it's probably quite a bit lower than somewhere like San Francisco. But what I want to say is that what you can't do is graduate from high school and support a family anymore. And that is something that 50 years ago you could have.
Well,
that was all that was required.
And I
Well,
think
this day and age, that's just plain stupid. If you do
And I
that.
think this is where the conversation sort of hits a fork in the road. I think that if you sort of nip it in the bud in regards to the folks that are involuntary check-ins to non-existent asylums, or however you want, whatever terminology you want to use, let's take care of the folks that are actually mentally ill and sick first. Let's get them off the streets and get them the help they need. Then we can
and
tackle.
drug addicted.
I think what we should tackle is prevention first. I mean, if we're going to be really honest, it's so much harder to
You're
get
not going to see
somebody.
the results quick enough that fast.
and
That
you'd
you
be
need to
waiting
show
till
results.
hell
If you want
freezes
that
over.
money to keep coming in, you need to
So,
show results. And the quickest way to get results is to get the people that are honestly sick off
Off
the
the
streets.
streets.
You get them off the streets, and you see those numbers going down, then everyone,
But here's
Ray,
the
everybody
question,
else
though.
will be happy
But
for
the
more
bigger
money.
question
That's the
is,
proof
how
right
do you get them off the streets if they don't want to get off the
That's
streets?
That's what I'm talking
That's
about.
gonna take
You
more
got to
than-
take them off the street.
That's going to take more than money. That's going to take honest litigation. And the problem is the governor's office and other elected officials are going to go back and start taking a look at that
So
law.
if the
You've
governor
got to have a
says,
political spine to do that.
if the governor says, I'm going to help you pay your rent, is that enabling homelessness? Is that enabling it?
Well, I think there are gaps, right? People could lose their job tomorrow. We live in a nation where we haven't been saving what we had, and most people can't survive a $600 financial emergency. And so if you can't survive a mini financial emergency like $600, then you're not prepared to lose a job and have.
I got to cut it there.
Okay.
I'll tell you what, we're off to a rocking start here in 2020. Thank you guys
It's been
very
so much fun.
Thank you. Thank you.
Coming up next, our tweet of the week, the first of the new decade, and boy, it's a doozy next.